Let's unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver. This is a 512 gigabyte variation, although they're all the same, doesn't matter which memory you get. We'll pull the tabs on the bottom right here so that we can pull the top of the box right off and see the phone for the very first time. Put that boxing aside, and here we have the silver color variation. We'll quickly see what we got. We've got the braided USB-C to USB-C in here, and this is a 3-foot. So I'll quickly show you that so you guys can see the tips of those, and you can see what they look like as I get it out. There we go. All right, there's your 2 tips for your USB-C cable braided. Okay, don't care about that. Let's put that aside. Phone itself, let's peel the sticky off right here. Oh, love doing that. And the phone itself, now looking at the back of it, it is silver, but this part right here is very white to me, the glass. This is the glass part of it. Then the body itself is all aluminum, but it's very, very white on that part. I didn't realize it's like a white silver rather than just a fully silver. So that's definitely interesting, although it's not going to matter if you put a case on it. Let's having a look at the side right here. So we have on this side your power button, your camera control button, the touch sensitive one right here. At the bottom we do have USB-C, speaker ports, microphones, all that. And this side right here, you can see no SIM card tray because it's all eSIM now. And we do have the volume up and down, as well as your action button on that side, some antennas, and I think it's the antennas on the top right here as well. But your main thing is that your bulge on the top right there is definitely a lot different. So it's fully across bulge on this one. And so it's different design compared to previous generations of the Pro series. And I do have also just a quick comparison. That's your cosmic orange right here. So you can get a comparison of the 2 colors side by side. I don't have a blue one in hand to show you, but the cosmic orange and the silver are 2 very, very nice color options. And that's your full unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver.